Hey guys, it's Valerie, and today I'm going to be showing you SpoiledChild's D35 Anti-Aging Triple-Peptide Moisturizer. Let's get started. I'm obsessed with this packaging, so cute, and it's sustainable. All you do is replace these capsules, fill the glass bottle back up, and you're ready to go. So this moisturizer contains peptides, hyaluronic acid, fatty acids, and Meadowfoam. So this is a gel cream that deeply hydrates your skin. The Meadowfoam is what repairs your skin, and then the peptides is what helps with wrinkles. So I usually like to do 3 pumps. 1, 2, 3. And this is how it looks. It's between a gel and a cream. And I just rub it in. And I'm just obsessed with this texture. It feels so smooth, super silky. It feels really good on the skin. So now that it's all rubbed in, let's just look at this glow. My skin feels so moisturized. It feels super silky and smooth. It doesn't smell like anything. There's another moisturizer just like it with fragrance, so if that's for you, go get that one. But this one I've been trying for 2 weeks and my skin has felt so moisturized, plus my makeup has looked flawless on top of it. I'm constantly dealing with acne, dryness, dark spots, redness, you name it, I'm dealing with it. But for the past 2 weeks, I have dealt with zero dryness from using this moisturizer. It has kept my skin so plump, so hydrated, and I should have known because in the clinical trials, 94% of people saw plumper and more hydrated skin. 9 out of 10 people saw younger and brighter looking skin. So, you need it, go get it. Thanks for watching.